Okay, we are welcome once again to G Tech Ventures, and I want to teach you basically today how to register your 1688 account as a buyer after you have created your Alipay account. If you have not watched that video, then kindly go back. I'll leave the link to that video in the comment section. You are going to click on it and learn how to create your Alipay account, and come back here to watch how to create your 1688 account using the Alipay. Okay, so on your 1688 app, you are going to click on me, that is the 8 logo over there, and click on the right Chinese writing there. You come to this page. You tick the small circle there and click on the login with Alipay, which is the blue button there. That is what you are going to click on, and wait whilst you log into the 1688 using your Alipay account. So you are going to confirm login. You allow it to load. It will take you to this page. You tick the small box in the left top corner there and click on the orange button. It's as simple as that. It will log into your 1688 account beautifully for you. Now when your 1688 account logs in now, check the top there. You're going to see a number starting with TB something. Yeah, that TB is your Taobao number. Kindly write it down. Write it down. And I repeat, write that Taobao number down. It is also going to help us in logging into our account, or it's also going to help us in the 1688 account creation. So write it down. Okay, this is a very vital information. Write the Taobao number down. So from here, you click on the settings, and this is what is going to appear. Locate the Chinese writing with the padlock and click on it. Okay, the one with the padlock, and click on it. Allow it to load. And it gets here. A verification code is going to be sent to your mobile phone. Verification code will be sent to your mobile phone. You take the verification code and you insert it into the space provided there. Insert the verification code there and click on the orange button. Now, after clicking the orange button, it takes you to this space. Please, you are going to set login password. Okay, so you set your 1688 login password. The same password, you write them in the two spaces provided. Make sure the password includes capital letter, small letter, and at least a number, like I've done. Then you click on the orange button. Before that, you tick the blue button. Then voila, your 1688 account has been fully created. So we want to check if we have really created this account. So we'll go to Google and try to log in on the web version. So when you go to 1688.com on Google, this is how it loads, and this is how the interface comes. So over here, with the help of my translate, I'll click on the login and this page loads. I'll click on the 1688. I'll input the Taobao number and the password I've just created. I'll tick the blue button down there and I'll click on the orange button. A verification code will be sent to my phone again. I'll pick that verification code and then fix it in there and then click the orange button. After doing it, I'll now wait for it to load. Voila, our 1688 account has been created. And how do we know this? Translate the page now into English language, and then where the login is written is going to change towards search, which means that you are in your 1688 buyer's account. Thank you.